bit of a different video today. We're on our way to go try out the new Tarform Luna electric motorcycle. It's built right here in Brooklyn. I've been following these guys for a while, and they make a really cool bike. I'm really excited to try it. And, yeah, meeting my buddy Andrew over there. We're gonna ride one together and see what it's all about.
City mode is the slowest, so, and you'll hear the sound slightly change depending on the mode of ride. So just tap left and right and you switch riding modes only when you release the throttle. And that's it, I mean just twist.
Love how simple it is. That's all you need.
That's all you need.
Yeah.
I mean, like, all I needed, you know, like, you're not supposed to focus on the dashboard, you're supposed to focus on the road,
yeah. The sound. Oh man. Oh man. Already better than the live wire, I can say. Oh, it handles so nice. It's cool. You can feel the sound vibrating. You can feel the seat vibrating. And it just pulls you. Holy moly. Wow.
Over there, when we make a left, we have a stretch that's like a stretch on S-curve.
Okay.
So there you can open it up.
Okay.
And we do that twice. So if you don't feel like really riding like fully pinned the first time, you have a second chance.
Okay, cool. Just learn it the first. Cool. Even the brakes have this like electrical sound that's kind of satisfying. Turning's good. keep reaching for the clutch. It's not there. You just ride. Woohoo! The handle's so good. That was sick.
It's nice, right?
It feels amazing. The handling's great. Even the braking like feels good.
I love the suspension setup on that one.
It's so nice.
Yeah, you can try to open it a bit more if you feel like it.
Okay. Oh, the sound is killing me. It's so much better than no sound at all. It's honestly kind of loud. People would hear you coming. It feels like you're on a motorcycle. I don't know if you can hear I think most of the low tones are coming from the seat. And I can just feel it. Oh my gosh. Just instantly feel so comfortable on it. It's kind of crazy. Oh my gosh. Everything just feels so intuitive. Nothing seems unfamiliar. These streets don't really do it justice. Gosh, if I was in some back roads right now, maybe that's the next test ride. They do some rides up in the Catskills, so maybe I'll do that next. One more time. Any more, the front tire would come up a bit. I don't know what to say, man.
It's good?
Yeah, it's great.
Better than the Harley?
Yeah, I'd say.
Nice.
Yeah. I got tears in my eyes. I don't know what it's from.
Come from the sound.
Yeah. It's just, even down to like the handling, it just handles so much better. It feels like intuitive, you know?
Nice.
It's incredible.
Yeah, the balance distribution was key, you know? And finding like this between like approachability, but also like you want the power.
Yeah.
You had it in cheetah mode, right?
Oh yeah, I didn't get it out of there.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Like even braking, it's like kind of satisfying to brake too. The sound that comes out of that, and
yeah, when the modulation, when it goes whoa, 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 whoa,
yeah,
you know, like dialing that personality in was key. And so important. And that's what I feel like most of these bikes, like the Zero, like again, like it feels so static.
Yeah.
You don't feel anything that's going on with it. The production bike is going to be 25.
Okay.
The founder bike is like 50.
Okay, this is the founder bike?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because all of this stuff is handmade, you know, suspension is like 3,500.
But are the specs the same as far as like?
Specs are the same.
Oh, they are, okay.
The same powertrain, same platform basically.
Yeah.
But instead of like billet aluminum, you know, this it's going to be slightly different design. This is hand-shaped bodywork. You know, it takes like an artist 2 weeks just to make this.
Congrats, man.
Thanks, man.
It's amazing. You've been working on it for a while, yeah?
5 years, yeah.
5 years?
Almost 6 years.
I would have assumed more.
I mean, it feels like it.
Yeah, I'm sure.
You know, you do it night and day, day and night.
Yeah.
But it's fun. Yeah, we just delivered our 4th bike.
Did you?
Yeah, I went to Diplo, you know, the DJ. And,
yeah.
Combining like your passion with something that has a purpose, you know, I think that's gets you wake up in the morning. And
it's huge. Yeah. I just took it out. I couldn't wait for you. I'm sorry.
Taurus. How are you, bud?
Take it easy, man. I don't know if you can hear me with my roommate behind me, but final thoughts, man. I love it. It's a cool bike. And I met the owner. I was chatting with the owner, Taurus, for a while too, and he's a great guy. Just really wants to make a great product, sustainable product. It's something that looks beautiful and rides beautifully, and he definitely did that. Gosh, yeah, it feels really good. It rides so well, and I'm really excited about what these guys are doing. I think I'll be back for another test ride for sure. I'll be test riding until I can afford one, which hopefully won't be too long. So, subscribe. Let's get a Tarform together.